Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, captivated by the gentle glow of our celestial companion, the Moon? Today, we embark on an exhilarating lunar journey as we uncover 5 mind-blowing facts about our lunar neighbor. But hold on tight, because along the way, we'll also explore the intriguing question, are there any possible dangers lurking within the mysteries of the Moon? Buckle up, my friends, and let's dive into this lunar adventure. Fact 1. The Moon is Earth's closest cosmic neighbor, located a staggering 238,855 miles away from us. Its luminous presence has sparked the imaginations of humans for centuries, inspiring countless legends, stories, and even moonlit serenades. But did you know that the Moon is also tidally locked to Earth? This means that we always see the same face of the Moon from our planet. Talk about a mysterious dance between our two worlds. Fact 2. The Moon isn't just a big, dusty rock floating in space. Beneath its rugged surface lies a network of tunnels called lava tubes. These natural caverns were formed by ancient volcanic activity, and they offer potential havens for future lunar explorers. But my friends, like any adventure, there are risks. Collapses or structural instabilities within these lava tubes could pose potential dangers for future lunar missions. It's a challenge that scientists and engineers are actively working to overcome. Fact 3. One of the Moon's most striking features is its many impact craters, remnants of cosmic collisions throughout its history. These craters come in all sizes, from tiny pockmarks to the awe-inspiring South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest impact basins in the solar system. However, with every impact comes the potential for ejecting debris and creating a hazardous environment for future lunar exploration. Understanding these risks is crucial for ensuring the safety of astronauts and spacecraft. Fact 4. We often associate the Moon with tranquility and stillness, but don't let that fool you. Our lunar companion experiences moonquakes. These moonquakes are a result of the Moon's gravitational interactions with Earth, causing the surface to ripple and shake. While most moonquakes are relatively mild, some can reach magnitudes of 5 or higher on the Richter scale. So, although the Moon may seem peaceful, it reminds us that even in the vastness of space, there can be some unexpected tremors. Fact 5, finally, let's talk about the lunar regolith, the Moon's gritty and powdery surface layer. This layer is composed of tiny particles, the remnants of billions of years of meteoroid impacts. But here's where the danger lies, my friends. These lunar dust particles are incredibly abrasive and can pose challenges for future lunar exploration. They can get into equipment, clog systems, and even cause respiratory issues for astronauts. It's a fascinating lunar hazard that scientists are diligently studying to ensure the safety of future lunar missions. And there you have it, fellow explorers. 5 incredible facts about the Moon, each revealing a different facet of its captivating nature. But remember, as we push the boundaries of lunar exploration, we must also address the potential dangers that come with it. By understanding these risks, we pave the way for safer and more successful missions to our beloved celestial companion. Join me next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of the cosmos. Until then, keep reaching for the stars